Hello and welcome to Lesson 8 of Higher Computing Software Design and Development. Last time we read a CSV file, the time before that we read a TXT file. We opened and read all the contents. Today we're going to create and write to a text file. So in Replit, going to create a new file. Going to call it writing TXT file. Now in Python, writing a TXT file is incredibly easy. Watch how easy it is. All I need is a file variable, just like we did previously when we opened and read a file. We still need to open a file, but this time when we specify the file name, it's going to be a file name that doesn't exist here. So I'm just going to call it newfile.txt. Remember, you need to include the file extension. And as the second parameter, write mode is going to be used. So I'm writing to the file. Now all I need to do is say file.write and then the text I want to write. Now if I run this, it will create the new file, but it will not save the text that I write to the file. Watch this. New file is created, but it's empty. Now the reason for this is when you write to a file, in order to save that text, you have to close the file first. So let's try this. Run. Looks like it does nothing, but in the file is the text. Beautiful, the text I want to write. Let's write some more text. File.write. Here is some more text. Don't worry about messing up. It's just a demonstration. So I run the program, it finishes, and then, oh look, what happened here? Well, when writing to a text file, you have to include your own new line characters. Remember, \n is a new line. So if you want to write text on the next line, you have to either add a new line to the end of the last sentence or to the start of the next sentence. Let's run it again, and you'll notice that I'm just overwriting the file every single time. There we go. And I don't know why this purple replit's popping up, pink replit's popping up. Just ignore that. So when you open a file in write mode, if the file already exists, it overwrites it. If it doesn't already exist, it creates it. And it's as simple as this. Very easy, right? Now, why would you ever need this? Well, sometimes you don't just want to see the results on the screen. Sometimes you do want to save the file. And also, a file can be used in future programs. You can open a file using Python. So you could save a lot of data in a program that writes to a file, and then a separate program or even the same program could open that data later. So there you have it, writing to a text file. We will do more examples of this in the future, but this was your first look at how to write to a text file. Hope you've enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one.